Greetings everyone. Welcome to iTrust's inaugural newsletter. We are the company's co-founders. This is Karthik here.
Hello.
And this is Dhruv. These are extraordinary times in the financial markets, and we thought it was a great time for us to reach out directly to you. You might be hearing a lot of bad news in the marketplace, like companies going belly up, defaults on loans, falling real estate prices, lower profit earnings, etc. But let us remind you that the world isn't coming to an end. India has 1 billion people who still need homes. The country still needs thousands of kilometers of roads and bridges, and there's a lot of expectation for the country going forward. So our suggestion to you is, do not panic. These are great times to invest, and if you have a long time horizon, we can stand to make a lot of money in the next 5 to 7 years.
Let me add to that and say, there's a popular perception in the market right now that India is in a recessionary time. That could not be any further away from the truth. We actually feel that 6% plus GDP growth, if that's what we come out at next year, is going to be phenomenal for India, and in no way is that recessionary. So these just aren't times to panic. As Dhruv was saying, one really needs to keep a long-term time horizon in mind. And by long-term, we don't mean 3 months. We actually mean the next 5 to 10 years, because India's growth story will take more than just a few months to play out. It's actually going to be a few decades over which all of us as investors and consumers will be reaping some dividends. So don't panic, just keep the message in mind that our parents gave us when we were children, which is to think for the long term and do some long-term planning in terms of our finances. We hope that you enjoy reading our newsletter. We'd love to hear some feedback from you on what all we could be doing in terms of the content that you would like to read. We want to do a lot more of these videos regularly, and do use our forums and our Q&A session on the website itself at iTrust.in to ask us questions that we can get our experts to answer for you free of cost. So thanks very much for paying attention, and we look forward to engaging with you in the coming months on a very regular basis. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. See you soon.